welcome to my channel. Here we explore fascinating topics that inspire personal growth and well being. Today, we are going to talk about the power of words. In today's video, we will delve deep into the significance of our choice of words and the impact they have on every aspect of our life. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the extraordinary influence of words and their ability to shape our thoughts, actions, and relationships. Let's get started. Have you ever stopped to ponder the immense power of words? It's fascinating to think that a simple combination of letters can have such a profound impact on our lives. Words have the power to inspire, motivate, and uplift us. They can also hurt, discourage, and divide. The choice we make in our words and language can shape the course of our existence and influence the world around us. Let's understand the importance of words. Words hold great importance in our lives. They are the building blocks of communication, allowing us to express our thoughts, emotions, and ideas. The words we choose can convey empathy, support, and understanding, or sow seeds of discord and misunderstanding. Understanding the significance of our words enables us to foster healthy relationships, resolve conflicts, and create positive change in the world. Every word we utter has the potential to create a ripple effect. Our words can inspire others to take actions, offer comfort to those in need, and ignite a spark of creativity. Conversely, they can also cause harm, perpetuate stereotypes, and reinforce negative narratives. The impact of our words extends far beyond the moment they are spoken, reverberating through time and influencing the lives of others. Effective communication lies at heart of building strong connections and fostering understanding. Choosing the right words in a conversation can bridge gaps, dissolve barriers, and create shared meaning. By paying such attention to our language choices, our word choices can convey our message with clarity, empathy, and authenticity, fostering deeper connections and nurturing healthy relationships. Imagine the transformative potential of carefully choosing words. By harnessing their power, we can shape our own reality and influence the world around us. From motivational speeches that inspire millions to acts of kindness that brighten someone's day, our words have the ability to create positive changes. Every word carries a potential to uplift, encourage, and inspire, making the world a better choice. As we conclude our journey of understanding the power of words, remember the importance they hold in our life. Choose your words wisely, for they have the power to shape your reality and impact those around you. Let us embrace the transformative potential of language and use our words to create a world filled with compassion, understanding, and positive change. I'm glad we could sit together and discuss on such a wonderful topic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the power of words wide. Until next time, let's meet later. Have a great day ahead.